Over 100 years ago, Oatey invented the roof flashing to provide a watertight seal around plumbing vent pipes or outside wall penetrations. Now, Oatey offers roof flashings in a variety of material types, sizes, and more. In this video, we will give you a step-by-step guide so you can confidently choose what you need to get the job done. Step 1. Determine the pipe size. Figuring out the pipe diameter will allow you to choose the size of the flashing collar. Oatey offers a variety of flashing collars for every pipe diameter. Oatey's self-sealing collars require no caulking and easily slide over pipes. Step 2. Determine roof pitch. Most flashings are designed for roofs with a pitch up to 40 degrees. If your roof has a steep pitch of more than 40 degrees, select Oatey's high-rise flashing. Step 3. Choose the base size of the flashing. This is usually determined by your local code. We recommend checking with your local jurisdiction to find the proper base size. Oatey offers a variety of base sizes to choose from. Step 4. Choose the material type of the flashing's base. Oatey offers a variety of base materials, including aluminum, copper, galvanized steel, and plastic. Start by considering the color of your shingles. Many people choose the material based on the color of their shingles to blend the flashing seamlessly into their roof. Others prefer a durable plastic base that is flexible enough to put in your pocket before installation. This step is mostly based on personal preference and aesthetics. Step 5. Determine any other factors that may affect the flashing, such as temperature, exposure to UV, or if your house is located near a source of salt water. Oatey offers flashings for every scenario, including side flashings, solar flashings, or master flashings for metal roofs. Let's review so you can choose your roof flashing with confidence. Step 1. Determine the pipe size. Step 2. Determine the roof pitch. Step 3. Choose the base size of the flashing. Step 4. Choose material type of flashing's base. Step 5. Determine any other factors that may affect the flashing. Oatey products have earned the trust of plumbing professionals for over 100 years.